Hello 7th class, in this video we will be learning about another type of changes, that is physical change. A change in which no substance are formed, and when they can be reversed by reversing the condition, or the change in which no new substance are formed and the change can be reversed about. Most common example which are there: glowing of a bulb or a heater. An electrical heater, when glows, electric current pass through it, but when we switch off the bulb switch off, no light is given out. Now coming to the next basic thing which is coming up is the melting of solid. When heated, ice melts to give water. So the kind of matter contained in ice and water is same. So when we are changing the state, new substances are not formed. Ice can change into liquid and liquid can be changed into ice. So what is happening when any solid melts? No substances are formed in change, and change is reversible. So this example of change in state of matter or melting of ice is a physical change. Freezing of liquid, then sublimation. In freezing of liquid, we'll take water and we are going to cool it down to 0 degree. Water will change into ice. So sublimation is there. It is also a physical change. Sublimation is some substances are there. When we are heating them, instead of changing into liquid, they directly change into vapor. And on cooling, they again from vapor directly change into solid. So no new substance is formed and they all are reversible also. One more type is there. Example which can tell about when we dissolve some solid in liquid. We are having sugar, salt, glucose. When we dissolve it in water, we call it dissolution. Now the substance, salt, sugar and other, they are in small amount. We dissolve them, so they are known as solute. Similarly, the water in which we are dissolving this solute, we call it solvent. And when we dissolve it, we get solution. So if solution is formed, we can get solute back from solvent by the method of evaporation. An activity is being given here. In that activity they said, take some water, add sugar, stir it properly, mix it properly. When all the sugar is dissolved, we'll start. What is happening? It is dissolution. Now what we want sugar back. So how it can be obtained? Sugar can be obtained by evaporating. Now when we are adding sugar into this glass of water, there was slightly rise in the liquid. But when we mix the sugar properly, we'll see that water has come to the normal place. Why it is happening so? On heating, what is happening? On adding solute and solvent, what is happening? The solute gets into the small spaces between the molecules of liquid. So there is no rise in the level of the liquid. Now another two methods which are there is evaporation and boiling of liquid. Liquid, if temperature is raised, changes into vapors. As we increase the temperature, this evaporation keeps on increasing and it is maximum at the boiling point. And when these vapors are cooled, they change back into liquid. So here also no new substance is found and changes are reversible. One more thing we can talk about, that is drying of cloth. When wet cloths are spread in open, the water slowly evaporates and the cloth gets dried. So this is a physical change.